Ana Guerrero. So ito na ang ating poem about kay poem about Miss Niana Guerrero. Miss Niana Guerrero, when I first saw you, I closed my eyes because they say you're beautiful, but I'm not believing with them, because I'm here in the Mandaluyong City, but I'm here in Bulacan, so we cannot see each other. We cannot see each other because we were soldier. We were soldier. That's why I mentioned we were soldier, because I just remember the movie of We Were Soldier of Mel Gibson, America versus Vietnam War. And that's why I saw kissing Santa Claus. I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus. I saw mommy kissing Santa Claus. But I don't have mommy anymore. I don't have mommy anymore. Because yesterday I watched The Mommy Return. The Rock Bottom. The Rock Bottom.